IELTS essay question. More and more people participate in extreme sports. What are the reasons for this? What can be done to reduce the dangers associated with such activities? The increasing participation in extreme sports can be attributed to several factors, and while these activities provide an adrenaline rush and a sense of thrill, they come with inherent dangers. Understanding the reasons behind the rising popularity and implementing safety measures are essential to mitigate the risks associated with extreme sports. One key reason for the growing interest in extreme sports is the desire for an intense and novel experience. Many individuals seek excitement and challenge beyond conventional recreational activities, and extreme sports provide a unique avenue for pushing personal boundaries. The allure of conquering fear and achieving a heightened sense of accomplishment is a powerful motivator for enthusiasts. Additionally, the influence of media and social platforms plays a significant role in popularizing extreme sports. Spectacular images and videos shared on platforms like Instagram and YouTube create a culture of adventure and encourage others to pursue similar experiences. The visibility of extreme sports stars and influencers contributes to the normalization of these activities. To reduce the dangers associated with extreme sports, comprehensive safety measures must be implemented. Adequate training and certification programs should be mandatory for participants, ensuring they possess the necessary skills and knowledge to engage safely. Establishing stringent guidelines for equipment standards and maintenance is crucial to prevent accidents caused by faulty gear. Furthermore, raising awareness about the potential risks and consequences of extreme sports is vital. Public education campaigns can emphasize the importance of responsible participation, including adhering to established safety protocols and recognizing personal limitations. Local authorities and sports organizations should collaborate to regulate and monitor extreme sports events, ensuring compliance with safety standards. In conclusion, the surge in extreme sports participation is driven by the quest for unique experiences and the influence of media. To reduce the inherent dangers, a combination of stringent safety measures, comprehensive training, and public awareness initiatives is necessary. Striking a balance between the thrill of extreme sports and safeguarding participants' well-being is essential for the sustained enjoyment of these activities.